Hi, this is Matthew. So I could show you each one of the box you have the box, so I got show you the box. So let's see, I got this Go-Go's I got. Okay. Okay. I got Joe, my favorite, and my sticker. So I got which sticker you have? This sticker, I'll just show you the sticker. You got Kokobo, Epic Kokobo, Kami, Echo, Mosh, and Molly. That's all mine. So, it's a new one. So I got Epic Anger! Yay! User. This done. And I got Joe, my favorite Joe. In my box, this is how I get the box. So I have it. Please subscribe. So bye. So please subscribe.